Hello everyone. Now we will cover the next topic, which is loop. In computer programming, a loop is used to execute a group of instructions or a block of code multiple times without writing it repeatedly. We will look at for loops and type of loop that Python offers. We will see using for loops. To print hello 5 times in Python, you run the program 5 times to get the output like this. Print then hello. It will display hello, but we need the output 5 times, so we need to repeat it 4 more times to do it. Like this. So instead, you can use a for loop to reduce the amount of typing and repetition like this. So we will use for x in range 0, 5 colon then print hello. Now this is the output. It will print 5 times the hello. The range function can be used to create a list of numbers ranging from a starting number up to the number just before the ending number. When we hit the enter after the second line, the Python prints hello 5 times. We could also use the x in our print statement to count the hellos. So for x in range in bracket 0, 5, print in bracket with single quote hello with percentage s, and you can close the single quote and then percentage space x. So this will be the output. Hello will be displayed with the range from 0 to 4. Now we will see you can also use a list which you have already created, such as the shopping list. We have already seen it in our previous video in chapter lists. Now I am taking this example which is same like we did earlier. This is the sport list with some items. Sport list is equal to baseball, football, badminton, ball, bat and stumps. So for I in sport list, print I. Now you will get this output: baseball, football, badminton, ball, bat, stumps. We can also use the same code and print like this with the item number. Sport list is equal to, this is the list we just used. Now if we want to display the first item, which is a baseball, you need to use 0 in square bracket like this. Print sport list 0. So answer is baseball. So in the same way, you want to display second item, you can put 1 in square bracket. Print sport list 1 and it will display football. So do the same for item number 3rd, 4th and 5th. So we have run the example of list and also we have learned how to use the for loop. I hope you understood how to use and run the for loop. In the next video, I will come with the next topic, which is a while loop.